Walking between the streets of Nişantaşı, we reached to Ritz Carlton. I know we made a tour of Ritz Carlton before, but they made their sample apartment now ready. I would like to squeeze some part of this video, the sample apartment of Ritz Carlton. Let's go and see how they did it. On our last video of Ritz Carlton, we couldn't have a chance to show you the sample apartment. Today we visited Nişantaşı, so I couldn't pass without coming here. This is the sample apartment, 265 meters square, 3 bedrooms, and the starting price of this apartment is 1,500,000 euro. It's coming with a nice welcoming space, full of huge size of marbles on the flooring, and it's getting a very nice daylight, and the apartment has a square, nice usage area of balcony. From balcony, we see all the Fulya, Beşiktaş. From here, the buildings of Şişli. Outside facade of the building, black, it's similar here, and all the windows are double glazed and special designed for Ritz Carlton. In this welcoming space, we have on the left hand side some cloakroom area, and this area is a good space for the jackets, shoes, and on this corner there is a space for the washer and the dryer. This is the powder of this flat. From black marble it passes to white marble, and this fixtures are all silver and floating vanity over here, and the all walls are covered with high quality wallpapers. It's like a textile, not like a paper. And from this welcoming area, balcony, we are getting into huge size of kitchen and the living space. They settled a huge dining table for 8 people, nice chandelier on the top, and fitted lightnings on the top, and here a huge island. I guess this is like a size of a car, 5 meters of island full of marble from top to down. All the kitchen will be delivered like this on the flat. We have the gaganeo, all the white goods, cooker, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and the fixtures, silver fixtures. Again, the countertop is full of black marble, and the top cupboards are white. It's nice fitted with this white limestone walls. This side of the living room is like a family room, and all the windows and curtains are managed with the house's central management system, the smart home system. This living room is more than a 50 meters square with the kitchen. For a luxury Ritz Carlton flat, it's a good size. And the apartment is separated into 2 spaces, from living room to bedrooms. We have a nice sliding door, wooden, directly getting into bedrooms area. This left hand side, they designed a small walk-in wardrobe. I guess for these bedrooms they can use these cupboards for their needs. This is the first bedroom, second bedroom, and these 2 bedrooms are using this common bathroom. Again, the white soft marbles with the nice designs are fitted here, and inside you don't show it, you don't see it, but there is again a huge shower. And lastly, I would like to show the master bedroom. Master bedroom is the best place of this flat. It's like a master suite. We have a walk-in wardrobe here. In this walk-in wardrobe, there's a makeup area full of cupboards, like 3-4 meters size of cupboards. And the master bedroom has its huge master bathroom. Of course, under Ritz Carlton brand, it's giving a feeling of you're inside a like penthouse suite of a Ritz Carlton hotel. I am sure these small details will increase the rental return of these flats as well. Still, some finishings are needed for the sample apartment. Small details are not ready yet, but this is a nice occasion to show you in this video Ritz Carlton sample apartment. They have also one bedrooms starting from 110 meters square, and the price is from 450,000 euro. Let's go and go our next stop. So from sample apartment, we are walking down from the stairs. It is first floor. We have of course elevators as well. All the wallpapers are leather. I love to watch all the way. It gives the rich feeling. From your apartment, you directly reach to some kind of lounge. There will be a couple more lounges in the building, and also, of course, VIP concierge service will be always in the building. If you will have any guests, you can ask them to wait here, or you can welcome here. So this will be the main entrance of the building. Maybe you've been to other cities in London, in New York, Ritz Carlton, or similar buildings. There will be red jacket guy waiting you as a VIP concierge. He will be welcoming you in the entrance of the building. Always a free valet service will be in the entrance of the building. So today we made a great tour of Nişantaşı. We've seen many places, many shops, restaurants. Tried to give you an idea. If you missed any place, you can comment or ask any question about these places. And we are closing our video from the sample apartment of the Ritz Carlton residences in Nişantaşı. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. The broker is out from Nişantaşı.